8 divided by 4 over 5 times 5. What do you think the answer is? Kindly pause the video, work it out, and let me know what your answer is in the comment section down below. As you are at it, kindly subscribe to this channel. We bring you such amazing content every day. So subscribe to this channel. If you haven't done so, it's a kind request. Kindly do so. It's completely free of charge for you. So you're not charged anything for subscribing. Please help a friend here by subscribing. When you subscribe, it helps push the channel to more people. Thank you so much. So we have 8 divided by 4 over 5 times 5. What is the answer? Let's work it out and see. So we have 8 divided by 4 over 5 times 5. When you divide 5, this 5 cancels with this 5. So we have 8 divided by 4. 4 goes into 8 2 times, right? Yeah. So if you got your answer as 2, you are actually wrong. You are not right because you've not followed the order of operations. You may think with a stray eye, you may think this is actually the way to do it, but no, this is wrong. It's a wrong approach. You're supposed to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. Okay, so when you follow PEMDAS, we have 8 divided by 4 over 5 times 5. According to PEMDAS, we don't have parentheses here, neither do we have exponents. So we have multiplication and division next. Now, the implication of multiplication and division is that they carry the same weight. It doesn't matter that this doesn't mean that you have to always work out multiplication first. No, it simply means that whichever comes first between multiplication and division from your left hand going to the right is what you work out first. So from left to right, which appears first? It's division. So you're supposed to carry out the division first before the multiplication. That means we have to work out this first. Okay. So we have 8 divided by this. But according to KCF rule, where K is for keep the first value, C is change the sign, and then F is flip the value after the sign. So we have 8, which we've kept, then change the sign from division to multiplication, and then flip that value after that sign. So when we flip 4 over 5, we get 5 over 4. So this is what we work out first. Okay, so 8 is divisible by 4 twice, 2 times. So we have 2 times 5, which is 10. Then 10 times this 5 here, which gives us 50. So the right answer is actually 50, option D. Let me know if you got it right or if you got it wrong and how did you solve it. Let's look at another question. We have 2 plus 3 being equals to 13, 3 plus 4 being equals to 25, 5 plus 6 is equals to 61. According to the pattern that these previous values are following, what do you think 1 plus 2 is equals to? You can pause the video, work it out, and let me know in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. It's a kind reminder. Please subscribe. Thank you so much. So we have 2 plus 3 is 13, 3 plus 4 is 25, 5 plus 6 is 61. What is 1 plus 2? So what we're going to do here is we're going to square the first number and also square the second number and add the results together. So this will be 2 squared, which is 4, plus 3 squared, it will be 3 times 3, which is 9. So 9 plus 4 gives us 13, which is this value here. Let's see if the next one also follows the same arrangement. So when we square 3, we get 9, plus when we square 4, 4 times 4 is 16. So when you add 16 to 9, you get 25. which is this value here. Let's see for the third one. 5 squared is 25 plus 6 squared is 36. 36 plus 25 is equals to 61, which is this. So if all these three have followed the same arrangement and given us the correct answers, that means also this follows the same kind of logic, or you have to apply the same kind of logic to get the answer here. So we shall square 1. 1 squared is 1 plus 2 squared is 4. When you add 4 plus 1, you get 5. So this is equals to, our answer is 5. Let me know if you got it right. Thank you. Let's look at another question. We have this question here. In this circle, we have these segments. Here we have 3, 7, 4, 9, 16 here. What do you think? What value do you think comes here? You can pause the video and work it out and see what your answer is. But here what you do is you square the values on the left, in the left segment. In the left, I mean these ones here. When you divide this circle vertically into half, this here, 3, 7, and 4. Square the values and then put the results in the opposite segment, the opposite of that segment that you've got. So here in this segment that we have 4. So you get square of 4 and then put it in the opposite segment to this segment. The opposite segment to this is this one here. So when you square 4, you get 16, which you put here. When we square 3, you get 9, which you put in the in this segment here. So that means here, the value that comes here is the square of this opposite segment, which has 7. So 7 squared is 49. And therefore, this answer here is 49. Let's look at another one. We have this. Here we have 6, 21, 63, 42, 3, 7 here. What do you think, or which value do you think comes here? As you can see, you can pause and work it out. But as you can see, 7 is strategically put in the center here. There is a reason for that. And that reason is you get the number, this, multiply it by the center value 7, and then put the value in the opposite segment. Okay? So, the values of the upper half of the circle are the determining values, and you multiply by 7. So 3 times 7, the answer, you put it in the opposite segment, which is this. So 3 times 7 is 21, which you put here. Then 6 times 7 is 42, which you put here. That means this value times 7 gives us 43. Okay? So as we've said, 3 times 7 is equals to 21. Then 6 times 7 is equals to 42. That implies that this value, which we don't know, times 7 should give us 63. So we divide here by 7. This cancels. So the value we are looking for is 63 divided by 7, which gives us 9. Okay, so the answer that goes here is 9, because when you multiply 9 times 7, you get 63. Let's look at another question. So we have this one here, where we have 8, 9, 12, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, and what do you think the answer, or the value, which value do you think falls in this box? So here, what you do is, for each row and column, in order to arrive at the final answer, which is this, you need to multiply the first two numbers and then divide them by 6 to arrive at the final answer, 4. So 8 times 3 is 24. When you divide 24 by 6, you should get 4. So you multiply 8 times 3 and divide the result by 6. This is equals to 4. 9 times 4 gives us 36. 36, when you divide it by 6, you get 6. So that means also this one should be able to give us this answer when we do this. So it will be 12 times 2, then divide by 6. 12 times 2 is 24, divide by 6, which is equals to 4. Therefore, the answer here is 4. That should be the same for columns, okay? When you multiply 8 times 9, you get 72. 72 divided by 12, 72 divided by 6, you get 12. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 divided by 6 is 4. So it works either row-wise or column-wise. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Like, comment and share this video with your friends. Let's meet in the next video.